Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get truffles in Terraria. Create a surface mushroom biome by placing mud and grass above ground, then plant mushroom seeds and wait for spread. Trigger hard mode conditions so the biome qualifies, and use truffle worms as bait to attract the truffle NPC to town. Keep the area free of other biomes and use background walls to improve spawn consistency for reliable results. Make a reliable surface mushroom biome by choosing a flat, open area on the surface and covering it with mud and grass blocks. Place mushroom seeds and plant glowing mushrooms to encourage biome conversion and create suitable background walls to exclude other biome influence. Remove sand, snow, and jungle edges nearby to reduce conflicts. Then monitor the area until enemies and NPCs reflect the mushroom biome environment consistently for truffle spawning. Hunt for truffle worms in underground glowing mushroom caverns using a bug net or golden bug net while exploring tunnels and chambers. These worms only spawn in the specific underground mushroom biome, so cover lots of ground and watch for quick movement. They vanish fast when disturbed. Carry extra bait and nets to maximize capture chances, and bring light sources and weapons to clear enemies while you search to increase safe collection rates for summoning the truffle NPC.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.